Hello and welcome to the news summary from the News Chronicle TV. My name is Hassan Haruna. Here are the top stories trending in northern Nigeria. A 38-year-old man identified as Adam Abdullahi has been arrested by the Nigerian police force in Bauchi State over allegation involving a 13-year-old boy. According to police sources, the suspect was taken into custody following a report that led to an investigation into his alleged conduct. During questioning, a confession recorded in Hausa language reportedly surfaced in which Abdullahi admitted that the teenager in question was not the only minor he had allegedly been involved with. He further claimed that there had been other similar incidents within the community, suggesting a wider pattern that is now under scrutiny by investigators. The National Drug Law Enforcement Agency (NDLEA) says it intercepted large consignment of illicit drugs in Kano, Kwara, Delta, Gombe, Lagos, and the Federal Capital Territory. The Director of Media and Advocacy (NDLEA) Femi Babafemi announced this in a statement in Abuja on Sunday. Giving a breakdown, Mr. Babafemi said that on June 8, NDLEA operatives in Delta State arrested a suspect in possession of 5 gas cylinders at Ogoshi Uku in the Anocha South local government area of the state. Similarly, in Kwara State, 2 suspects, Nasiru Hamza and Mohammed Sani, were arrested along the Bode Sadu Road while allegedly transporting 600 compressed block of sukunk, 304 kilograms, in a Toyota Jeep. The air component of the Nigerian Air Force Joint Task Force Operation Hadinkai has neutralized 27 terrorists in separate air interdiction mission in Borno State. According to a report obtained by the News Chronicle, the strikes targeted terrorist enclaves in the southern and northern Tumbus area of Borno State. An operation report of the Nigerian Air Force made available on Sunday said the mission followed intelligence surveillance and reconnaissance operations across the theater. According to the report, air assets comprising Dragon and ISR platform conducted an air interdictions mission at Doshi, a non-terrorist enclave in the southern Tumbus area. The Zamfara State Police Command says its operative has foiled a planned attack after successfully detecting and destroying an explosive device planted along the Kunchin-Kalgo axis in Safi local government area of Zamfara State. A statement by the force says the explosive was discovered on Friday following credible intelligence obtained through community engagement effort. Operatives of the Violence Crime Response Unit, working with the Explosive Ordnance Disposal Team, swiftly responded and neutralized the threat. Abuja-based lawyer and Borno indigene Hamza Nuhu Dantani has condemned the Borno State High Court's sentencing of members of the Zanga Zanga protest group in Maiduguri, calling it oppression and lack of justice. Reacting to court documents showing 5-year jail terms handed to several defendants, Dantani said the judgment exposed cruelty against young protesters, some aged just 14 and 15 years old. Dantani faulted the prosecution's evidence, arguing that claims the defendants were caught with weapons were false. Everything they said they were caught with all lies, according to him. He said because government could not present it in court, no machete, no sword, no gun. It was only written down as cylinder, he said. Many residents of the Federal Capital Territory have expressed concern over the continued increase in the price of tomatoes. The resident told the news agency of Nigeria on Sunday in Abuja that the situation was making things difficult for both traders and consumers. A market survey conducted by NAN in some markets in the FCT showed a sharp rise in the price of tomatoes in recent weeks. No fewer than 17 farmers have been killed and several others injured after suspected bandits attacked Goron Namaye village in Maradun local government area of Zamfara state during the Democracy Day holiday. Now from the international scene, thousands of protesters have gathered in Geneva ahead of this week's Group of 7 G7 summit, which is set to bring together United States President Donald Trump and other world leaders in nearby France. The demonstrations on Sunday was led by the so-called No G7 coalition, which is